Imagine setting aside $10,000 today, a solid foundation for your future. Without compound interest, if you simply save this amount under your mattress or even in a non-interest bearing account, nothing changes. Fast forward 20 years, and that sum remains unchanged, $10,000. While it's reassuring to see the same digits, the opportunity for your money to grow has quietly slipped by. Now, let's step into the world of compound interest. Place that same $10,000 into a modest investment account, earning an average annual rate of 7%. Compounding works its silent magic, allowing your earned interest to generate even more interest as the years pass. In the first year, your investment grows by $700, bringing your balance to $10,700. The next year, interest is calculated not just on your original $10,000, but on the new total $10,700. Gradually, the growth feels almost effortless. Year after year, the pace accelerates. By year 10, your $10,000 has become nearly $19,700, almost doubling, just by letting time and compound interest do their work. Continue for the full 20 years, and you'll be amazed. Your balance now exceeds $38,600. That's nearly 4 times your original investment, all from simply allowing your money to grow instead of sitting idle. That's the undeniable power of compound interest. It rewards patience and foresight, turning time into wealth. Instead of focusing solely on the initial deposit, this strategy leverages consistent growth to build a brighter financial future. So the next time you wonder whether to save or invest, remember this before and after scenario. Let your money work for you, and watch as compound interest transforms today's decision into tomorrow's prosperity.